Hey folks, I'm Corey, and this is my week 3 entry for Made It With Power Apps, step by step. I work in a K-12 environment, and we actually have a lot of legacy systems that we've defined our processes around the software. And with Power Apps, we actually get the opportunity to define our process and then have the software meet it, which makes it more efficient and effective for all of our end users and all of our administrators and such. It's a big mindset change. So the first step I have to do in my business is to actually define that workflow. We are so set in the mindset of how does the software work and we'll make our jobs work around it, and I'm trying to kind of turn everybody the other way in that you tell me the best way to make this work and I will make the software work that way. So that's step number 1 for us. From there, I get an entire scope of it, I define an owner for that process, and then I break everything down from that point. What's my back end going to be? What kind of reports do you need? Am I going to need attachments? This is going to define whether I use SharePoint lists and back end, or whether I'm going to use SQL or Azure Blob or whatever the situation entails. And then I actually get into making the app. Again, I like to go foundation and build myself up. So I will build all of my sheets. I will actually build what I call a no-nav style sheet, which I kind of have here in the background. And it contains my change log, commonly used parts, and it allows me to actually just have data in here for when we come back and troubleshoot things, which is incredibly important because I may make it, but there may be one of several people who are actually responsible for supporting this. So here's the list of things I try to go through every time. Do I make every one of these every time? Absolutely not. But I do find that defining my workflow is probably number 1 because I like to avoid scope creep as much as humanly possible. Even with a good laid foundation plan, I still get it to a certain extent, but without it, it's horrendous. Questions, go ahead, shoot them out on the comments. Whatever works for you, contact me. Happy to help however I can. I think that's about it for this week. Happy apping, everyone. Thank you.